Welcome to our latest video on how to disable all notifications on Telegram. If you're tired of constant notifications from the app, follow these simple steps to turn them off. First, open your Android phone's settings. This can usually be found in the app drawer or by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping on the gear icon. Next, navigate to the Apps section. This is where you can manage all the apps installed on your device. Find and select Telegram from the list of apps. Once you've located Telegram, tap on it to open the app settings. Now, look for the Notifications section within the Telegram app settings. This is where you can customize how and when you receive notifications from the app. Tap on Notifications to open the notification settings for Telegram. Here, you'll see options for controlling different types of notifications, such as message alerts and calls. To disable all notifications from Telegram, simply turn off the toggle switch for Show Notifications. This will prevent the app from sending you any notifications, including message alerts and calls. And that's it. You've successfully disabled all notifications on Telegram. Now you can enjoy using the app without being constantly interrupted by notifications. If you ever want to re-enable notifications, simply follow the same steps and turn the toggle switch back on. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful in managing your Telegram notifications. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.